Hello viewers, we will see auto-generate question paper QPG system with the Python Excel interface, a real-world project now running successfully since 2023. This video is on quick demo. Abstract. This project accepts the input files, checks whether this input file is mid1 format or mid2 format, randomly chooses questions from this question bank file and generates question paper file in the required format. Input. The input to QPG systems are Excel files. These Excel files are question banks files. Output. The QPG system generates output. These are Excel files with QP extension, and this is nothing but question paper files. To develop this project, what Python library, modules and tools have been used, we will see now. openpyxl is a library, OS Python module, random Python module, and we have used Auto-py-to-exe. We will see all of this in detail in part 2 video on OS module. Part 3 video is on Auto-py-to-exe tool. Part 4 video is on openpyxl library. Part 5 video is on Python code explained. Part 7 video is on software testing and future enhancement. So video links will be given in the description. Now we will try to understand what are the question bank formats. After analyzing the question banks for mid1 or cycle test 1, we have found 64 mid1 descriptive question bank formats and one objective question bank. What are question bank formats? We'll see now. We'll understand the formats. So let me click on this link. So this folder is mid1 question bank formats. This is mid2 is question bank formats. Click on mid1. So these are all Excel files, input files. These are all input files. Double click on this, open. Let it open. 1 minute. So you can see here, this is descriptive type question. Here DES, this sheet is DES sheet is descriptive type. OBJ, here it is objective type question. Let us first see DES. So try to understand here. So you can see here question number 1, A B C D E subdivision, each 2 mark. This is for unit 1. For unit 2, question number 2, A B C D E, each 2 mark. So only 2 units for mid 1, and then unit 1 for more than 2 mark questions. So question number 3 with the subdivision AB, question number 4 with subdivision AB, question number 5 with subdivision AB, all are each 5 mark. Then will come to unit 2. So unit 2 again has 3 questions, 6 with subdivision AB, question number 7 with AB, question number 8 with subdivision AB, all are each 5 mark questions. So this is the one pattern, and you can see here. So unit 1 has 3, 4, 5. So with the subdivision 3A, 3B, question number 4 and 5 no subdivisions, 3 is not having subdivision, 4A, 4B may have subdivision, 5 is not having subdivision. Likewise, for unit 1, question number 3, 4, 5 can have subdivision or without subdivision. So we have 8 such possibilities for unit 1. Similarly, for unit 2, question number 6, 7, 8. Question number 6, 7, 8. So you can see here question number 6, 7, 8. Subdivision AB, AB, AB. So question number 6, 7, 8. 6AB, 7AB, 8AB. Likewise, we have different possibilities for question number 6, 7, 8 for unit 2, and for unit 1, question number 3, 4, 5 have different possibilities with that means with subdivision or without subdivision. So total 8 into 8. This is 8 possibilities. This is 8 possibilities. So there are 8 into 8, 64 different formats. Note, only 2 units are covered, unit 1 and unit 2 for mid 1 or cycle test 1. Now demonstration for mid 1 or cycle test 1 question bank formats. First step, remove old Excel files from the PJ folder or save these Excel files in some other folder if any. So let me click on this. So you can see here, this is D drive PJ folder. There are already some files are there. So we can delete that one. Delete. So now you can see PJ folder. Click on this. This folder is empty. This folder is empty. Minimize. So first step is over. Second step, copy new question bank Excel files in PJ folder. So we'll do that one. So go to D drive. These are question banks are here. Mid one question bank format. So let me copy one question bank file. Copy, paste in PJ folder. Paste. Okay, that is done. So next step. Now double click on QPG icon available on the desktop to run the application. So let us do that one. So you can see here QPG icon. So this is QPG icon. Double click on this. Wait a minute. The program is running. Okay. Wait a minute. So what we got? So program is executed. XYZ Engineering College, Delhi. This is just a dummy college name and place. Department of Exam section, internal exam question paper generation system. So this software is developed by P. Julian, Associate Professor. For any inquiry and technical support, please contact email ID is given. And then some warning has been issued. Make sure that old files are removed or moved to some other folder or removed from the current folder. That we have already done. Now we will enter password. JULIAN. Password. Enter. So login success. Number of files processor is 1. It is asking please wait processing. Number of files is 1. So successfully completed. List of files with location. So list of files here. This is the location of the file. Output file. The location of the output file. This is with -QP. -QP means question paper. Finished. And then now go to D drive PJ folder. This PJ folder has files with -QP extension. These files are question papers. Take printouts. Now we'll log out. So press yes. So now what we'll do? Go to that folder. D drive. So D drive PJ folder. So you can see here. This is question bank, and this is question paper. So you can see here what is the difference between this. So this is, we already saw this one. So this is question bank. This is question bank, descriptive question bank. So DES. Now let me minimize this one. This is question paper. Double click on this. So you can see this is a question paper. You can see here, this is a question paper which is clearly mentioning. So college name, branch, semester, then date, maximum mark, duration, type of the question descriptive, subject code and subject title. And you can see here, this is part A is mentioned. We can see here there is a part B. So this is question paper. This is part A. Question number 1, A, B, C, D, E, or 2, A, B, C, D, E, each 2 mark. Part B, question number 3 or question number 4, each having subdivisions. and question number 5 or question number 6. These two are from unit 2. Question number 3 and 4 are unit 1. This is actually question paper generated by QPG system. So we have another right hand side, the same question paper is there. So in order to save the paper, we have two sets generated. So you can take printout of this question paper. And now we will see the difference between question paper and question bank. So you can see here, this is a question paper, -QP is question paper. So 1A, what are the differences between analog and digital communication? This is the question in question paper. And in question bank, this is question bank. So in question bank, you can see 1A, define communication process. So questions are different. You can see for 2A, define noise and mention different kinds of noise. So what about in question paper? In question paper, you can see it is 2A, problem is given, calculate the total modulation index. Questions are different. Coming to part B now. So here, question 3 is A is describe AM generation. And you can see what about 3A here in question bank. In question bank, 3A is explained about need for modulation. So question bank and question papers are different. And one more thing, coming to the objective type, this objective type, this is the question bank which has 40 questions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, it has 40 questions. See, there are 40 questions. So QPG system will randomly select 20 questions. So we'll now see what is the first question. So first question in question bank is the square law modulator. What about in question paper? In objective, you can see here question number 1, which of the following components of switching modulator? So questions are different from different question bank questions in question bank and question paper are different. So here you will find in objective 20 questions, 20 random questions, only 20 random questions are there. So this is question paper and that was question bank. So now we understood the difference between question bank and question paper. Now we will see mid-2 format. So mid-2 format, question bank formats. After analyzing mid-2 question bank formats, we found 512 mid-2 descriptive question bank formats and one objective question bank format. So in D drive we can find the question banks. So total there are 64 plus 512 is 576 question bank formats for both mid-1 and mid-2. So now we will see the question bank formats, how we got 512. So for now for mid-2 it is unit 3, question number 1 ABCD subdivision for unit 3, question number 2 ABCD for unit 4 and question number 3 with subdivision ABCD for unit 5. So 3 units are covered for mid-2, unit 3, 4 and 5. And for unit 3, 1, 2, 3 is over, 4, 5, 6 and 4, 5, 6 questions are with and without subdivisions A and B. Subdivision A and B, there are 8 possibilities for unit 3, 8 possibilities for unit 4, 7, 8, 9. Next 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then for unit 5, after 9, 10, 11, 12. So 10, 11, 12 there are different possibilities with and without subdivision. So totally we have 8 into 8 into 8, 512 different patterns or formats. 8, 8, 8, there are 512 different formats. Next we will see the demonstration for mid-2 question bank formats. Okay, that we will see now. So we will go to first, one second, we will go to PC, then D drive, PDF folder. So let us delete this one because these are mid-1 questions. Delete this one. Okay, skip. Okay, we have to delete these files. Okay, then delete this file. Okay, then this pj folder is empty. This pj folder is empty. Now what we'll do, click on question banks, double click this mid2 question bank format, click on this. So we'll choose copy this one, mid2. So copy and then paste, and then paste. One second. Copy, copied, we have already copied. So we have to paste here. So paste here. So this is mid2 question bank format, mid2 question bank format. Okay, then close this one. Then we'll do demonstration for that one. So this is QPG, double click. Wait a minute. Okay, it is running. Wait a minute. You can see here it is giving college name, department, and what is this system. All this we already saw in the mid1. Now enter password and see what is happening. So you can see the number of files processing is 1, successfully completed. You can see the output file is in D drive PJ folder, and this is the output file. So this is a question paper, finish, and next you press Y and exit, and now we can go and see in PJ folder. So click here, click D drive, click PJ folder. You can see here this is question paper, this is question bank, and this is question paper. Let me open and see. So this is question bank, objective question bank, descriptive, this is descriptive, and here you can see this is question paper. Double click. So you can see the difference between question paper and question bank. This is a question paper. We have 2 sets in one A4 sheet. So to save the paper, we have 2 sets of question paper. Okay, same question paper. So this is our question paper generated by the QPS system. Okay, let me close this one, and delete this and show you that PJ folder, this folder is empty. PJ folder is empty. Close this one. Okay, next, what will the system work for combined mid1 and mid2 question bank formats? That we'll see now. Go. So this PC, and wait a minute, D drive, PJ folder, nothing is there. Okay, what we'll do, copy mid1 question. I am copying mid1 question 1, copy, and paste here. So this is mid1 question bank. Now let me do for copy mid2. This is mid2 question bank format. Click on this, copy, and paste here. So you can see here this is mid2 question bank. This is mid1 question bank, and we will run. So now we'll run our software. Double click. Wait a minute. So we are getting this. So enter password. Enter. So wait a minute. Now we have 2 files, 2 input files. Therefore it is showing 2 input files. 2 input files are processing, and so we got 2 output question paper. So these 2 are the question papers. So CS1, LDICA 6 question paper, 2 question paper. Exit. Now we'll go and see in PJ folder the output files, that is question paper files. Wait a minute, opening. Okay, it's opening. So D drive. Now this is the PJ folder open. So we can see here. So LDIC question paper, CS1 question paper. So 2 question papers have been generated. So this works for both mid1 and mid2 files if they are combined in the PJ folder. Now let me delete this. Let me delete. Okay, now I deleted. Now you can see PJ folder is empty. Okay, next. What is next? Yes, this will, we have demonstrated this one. We have demonstrated. This will work for mid 1 and mid 2 question bank formats, both combined. Next, will the system work for more than 100 input files? Will the system work for more than 100 input files? Yes, we'll see that one. We'll see that one now. So go to this PC. Now go to D drive. Go to PJ folder. So this folder is empty. We already know. Then what I'll do, go to question bank. So this is, double click on this. So copy all mid 1. Copy. Paste. So how many files are there? 61 files. All are mid 1. All are, this is mid 1. We are combining both mid 1 as well as mid 2, as well as we are proving, checking whether this works for more than 100 files. More than 100 files. Copy, paste, paste, pasted. Now these are all mid 2. These are mid 1. See here, mid 1, mid 1, mid 1, mid 1. These are all mid 2. So I am combining both mid 1 and mid 2 in the PJ folder, and I want to test the QPJ system whether it works or not. Remember, see here it is now 110 files are there. 110 files are there in PJ folder. Open, then you can see PJ folder. How many files are there? 110 files are there. 110 files are there. 110 files are. You can see here how many items are there. 110 files. Both mid 1 and mid 2 combined. Both mid 1 and mid 2 combined. Okay, now we'll run the system. Wait a minute. So enter the password. Enter. Please wait. You can see how 110 files are being processing. The system shows 110 files are processing. Please wait, because there are many files, more than 100 files. It will take time. It will take time. In another 1 minute, it will be over. So in the final part of the demo, we have combined mid 1 format and mid 2 format. Not only that, we are now giving more than 100 input files, both combined mid 1 and mid 2, with all different formats, question bank formats, and this system works for all the formats. Even though it works for more than 100 files. We are waiting for the process to be completed. We wait a minute. The summary here is, so this question paper generation system, QPG system, so randomly chooses questions from various different question bank formats and prepares a question paper. And it will work for both mid 1 format, mid 2 format, combined format, or more than 100 files also it will work. Wait a minute. So this system is slow. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. We are waiting for the output. Okay, we got it. You can see here. These are the, see. So number of files for processing is 110. So these are the list of files, output files. These are the list of output files. How many are there? So output files 110. output files are 110. Finish, press Y, and then go to this PC and check whether you have all the files. D drive, open PJ folder. Now how many items are there? 220. Input files are 110 and output files are 220. So all question paper, QP, we got it. So hyphen QP, you can see all question papers. These are all question papers. See here, all question papers. QP, hyphen QP. So, okay. So I'll open and see one question paper, yeah, randomly. So this is the question paper. And what about objective? This is the objective question. 20 objective questions. Thank you, viewers. Thank you. Okay.